been great. It has been so helpful because so much of hiring for HVAC technicians or people, doing controls or brazing or things like that, they're not going to be in your typical recruiting spaces like online or even with potential job boards that a lot of people use. And so this was an opportunity to actually be able to interact with people who are looking for exactly the type of jobs we're hiring for. And so that shortened the gap between myself and talent in multiple different locations and, being able to see their qualifications and understanding that these are people that would be a great fit for us was great.